Yo guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update. So yes, my bike was stolen last Wednesday, April 15th. It was recovered as well, luckily. But I had seen some comments. Some of you had seen that it had gotten stolen, so I just wanted to update you all. As well as that I'm going to be taking a little break from posting videos for a few weeks, maybe a week, maybe a month, who knows how long. I just wanted to kind of take a break from it. I know I was posting about three times a week, and I just want to thank you guys for your support. I know about 1,600 people shared my Facebook post, which is great, and I thank you all for that. But yeah, there'll be a video soon. I'll update you guys on exactly what happened and hopefully how you guys can avoid getting your bike stolen. But other than that, I'll see you guys soon.